this?
I know. Okay. So, let me put it all down. Let me put it all down first. Whoa, welcome back, guys.
Yeah.
So this is a little different. This is actually kind of like our Crunch Bros setup. But it's going to be, if it works out really well, we'll see if we want to continue to do this. But this is going to be a Jordan Guesses segment. So Jordan's going to be guessing tools, he's going to be guessing gadgets, he's going to be guessing things that we find that are interesting or different that we've never used before or seen, and he's going to guess what they're used for or why we need them or if they're worth it or not worth it. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. All right, so you guys can see the lineup of tools here. So first,
shape of bread.
Maybe. So, he's going to start guessing what all of these things are for, and then we'll actually show you what they're meant for afterwards. Okay? So you can start.
I know what this one.
You want to start with that one? Okay, so Jordan can start with that one. What do you think this little thing is for? Show the camera. Look at it. It's floppy. It's made of silicone. What do you think this is made for?
If you do this, it makes something to make a bread shape.
A bread shape? Okay. But do you know what and how you use it? Okay.
What do you think goes inside of it?
Yeah, what do you think you put in there to make it into a bread shape?
Bread.
You put bread inside there to make a bread-shaped bread? That's silly. It's already in a shape of bread.
Oh, you cut like... You do like something that doesn't break.
Okay, something that doesn't break. And then?
Like, you shape it into like ice.
You use that to shape it into ice?
No.
Is that what you think? I mean, you can guess whatever you want to guess. You guys guess down below, because at the end of this video, we'll show you guys exactly what all of this stuff does. So make sure you guys stick around for that. But guess what this thing's for? Okay, what do you think that is for? Let's put it in the middle.
You put it inside. You put soup inside, and then you drain it. So all the bad things don't come out of it.
Oh, that's pretty close. Wow. So you put soup in there?
And then get rid of all the germs inside here.
Wow. Okay. That's a pretty good guess. I don't know if... Let's show everyone what it looks like. Okay. So this is how the packaging comes. It's like a shape of like a leaf. This part's silicone. And then this is like an aluminum. And it has... You guys can't really tell. Okay, so you can see it there. It has holes. It's perforated all around here and here. And it comes with this little thing that it sits on. So Jordan says you put soup in it, and it stops from all the bad germs and all the bad stuff that comes out of it.
Like the bad materials inside.
The bad materials? Oh, okay. So this is gadget number 2, guys. Leave a comment.
Gadget number 3.
Okay, leave a comment. What do you think this one is?
This one is for mashing.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Hard stuff.
Okay.
And this is for mixing soft stuff.
Mashing hard stuff and mixing soft stuff?
Like what?
Like what?
Like hard mashed potatoes.
Hard mashed potatoes? That's a really small bowl for hard mashed potatoes. Who's going to eat that little baby bowl of mashed potatoes?
Kaya.
Oh, it's for Kaya? Okay. So, I don't know if you guys know. Some of you guys might know what this is for. But on the inside, it's got these like shapes and lines. And it's made out of ceramic. Or porcelain or whatever this is. And then this is, I believe it's made of wood. Yep, it's a piece of wood. And it comes like this as a set. So if you guys know what this is, leave us a comment down below. And just a heads up, this is all technically kitchen appliances or kitchen tools. So keep that in mind. Okay, what do you think that is?
You put stuff in here.
Okay, what kind of stuff?
Like smooth stuff.
Smooth stuff, okay.
And then you put it in the smooth stuff inside. And then you pull it up.
Okay.
And then it gets rid of all the bad germs.
Ooh, you are in a germy mood today. Okay, so you think that you put smooth stuff in here. What kind of smooth stuff?
Like like cookie dough.
Oh, cookie dough. Okay, so you put
Like smooth dough.
Okay, smooth dough, and you put that in there, and then what do you do?
And then
you
you
close
put it up.
Uh-huh.
And then you get like the good materials outside because you don't use materials when you bake stuff.
Okay. That's an interesting guess. So let's show them what it looks like. So it's a cup.
I know what this one already.
Oh, okay. But let's show them this one first. So it's a cup, and it has this here, which this is the lid part that covers it, and then there's this, which is perforated too, and then there's two of them in here. I don't know why, but there's two in here, and it sits in like this, and then the handle goes up and down. So Jordan thinks that you put the good dough in, and you pull it up, and all the bad stuff come out.
The good stuff.
Oh, just the good stuff comes out when you pull it out. Okay.
Yeah, the bad stuff sometimes come out.
Oh, okay, sometimes. Okay, so this is number 4, guys.
This is number
5. Okay, so that's number 5.
cookie molds.
What, cookie molds? I mean, technically that could be. That's a good idea, huh? So let's show them. Cookie molds. So look at.
Cookie mold.
They're in. This is the shape of a star, and this one's a heart. But the cool thing about this, look at, you didn't even show them. It comes apart. Do you still think it's a cookie mold? Mm-hmm. Okay, so he thinks it's a cookie mold. This, I think, I'm pretty interested to see if this actually works. I'm kind of skeptical about this one, but we'll see if this one works. Jordan thinks it's a cookie mold. Or cookie
I know
mold?
what this is.
You know what that is? Okay.
You shred stuff like this. You shred stuff.
Shred stuff?
On here.
On there?
Because it's like this.
Are you sure? But why does it look like a knife?
So you could scoop stuff. You could scoop stuff. Also, you could shred stuff.
Ooh, that's a good idea. So check it out, guys. Looks like a knife, but you could see there's holes. So Jordan thinks that you could shred stuff on here.
Right here.
Uh-huh.
Also, you can scoop stuff.
Oh, shred stuff and scoop stuff, and then?
You do this, and then powder comes out.
Oh, okay. So it's kind of like a sift. Okay, I get it. I get what you're saying. So you could scoop out powder, and then you could sift it like this. That could be one of the uses. So you guys leave a comment. What is this crazy thing for? It looks like a knife, but it's not sharp. Like, it's this part where you think it's a knife. It's not sharp at all. All right, are you ready to go see and show everyone what all these gadgets are used for? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so all of this stuff, we actually got it at Daiso. So Daiso is...
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I got all of it from Daiso. So Daiso is like a...
This too?
Uh-huh. It's like the Japanese version dollar store. And like everything's like $1.50. Almost. Some are more expensive. But they're like, they have a bunch of these random cool little things. And I thought it'd be cool like to do this segment with Jordan. Oh, why? That's definitely not what it's used for. All right. Come with us, guys. We're going to go and show Jordan and you guys what all of this stuff is actually for. No. All right. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
This thing's first. We're going to show you guys. It's actually, if you guys can read it, but it's called a foaming frother. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it for an egg because it kind of goes hand in hand with the next tool. But what you do is you take it out. Let me see. Crack an egg. Throw it in here. Oops. Oh dear. And then what you can do is you got your egg in here. We'll put this on top and then you... Here, I'll hold it. Okay, go. Nice. Let's take a look. I mean, it's kind of working, so let's take a look here. Wow, it mixed our eggs. So technically, I believe you put like milk or cream in here for like a latte, and you can foam your milk and pour it on top of your drink. we're gonna use this as a egg whisk. Ready? And it goes to our next gadget. So our next gadget is this thing. Do you remember what you guessed this was? Mm-hmm. It's to make it into the shape of a bread. But you're right. And do you know why? So you put this down like this.
Oh, you put the egg.
You put the egg in there. Go ahead. Uh-huh. Nice. Okay, now you let it cook. We're gonna let it cook.
Count the butter.
So the whole reason why you want to do this is it turns it into the shape of your bread. So it covers the whole entire bread. Isn't that cool? Our next tool is gonna be this thing here. What this is for is it's technically a butter knife. But let's just say you guys are like us and we have our butter in the fridge. It's too hard to put this on toast. So what you're supposed to do is you take it and you shave it like this.
Whoa.
So you shave your butter so it melts faster. So you put it on a piece of toast and it's already melted because look at, now it's soft. Instead of hard butter, you have soft butter. Look how soft that is.
I'll try.
Try it. Nice. So it makes it so that the butter melts for your toast. So technically it is for shredding butter.
Cool.
I got it right.
Yeah, this one you got it right. Did you guys get it right in the comments? Check it out.
Now let's try it with the white sesame seed.
Okay. Punch it out, punch. Whoa! Look at that! Oh! Look at how cool that is.
It turned into toast.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we're gonna assemble our breakfast sandwich. Are you ready for this? So we're gonna take our butter and we're gonna grate it like this so we could have it on here. Look at how easy that spreads. And then I just realized our egg is gonna be a little different of a shape because our bread's not a traditional piece of toast. But check it out. We also have another gadget to go over and show what people...
2 more.
Oh, we do have 2 more, you're right.
3 more.
3 more.
Yeah, 1,
Uh-huh.
2, 3.
You're right. All right, so this is called a pestle and mortar. So what you do is you take things like seeds or herbs or whatever you want to crush, and it's meant to crush things. Okay, so give them a try. Oh, not too hard. Nice. Here, let me show them. So what you do is you take it and you can like lightly pound it, but what it does is it grinds it up. Do you guys see it on the bottom there? It grinds it up so you can get like a nicer, finer texture. But yeah, this is, ooh yeah. But look it turns it into a powder. Let's head back over there and do the other gadget. It's a tea thing.
Infuser.
It's a tea infuser. That's it. Good job, CrunchFam. So, what you do is, you take this and you throw it into here like this, Jordan. Do you see it?
It's almost like I said.
Kind of. You're right. Then put the lid on. You gotta fold it a little bit. There you go. There we go. Okay. Now let's get some hot water, and then you could put it in. You can see the colors change. Ready? Oh. Okay, wait. Hold on to the leaf. Okay. There's some hot water. Be careful. Okay. Go ahead. You dunk it in all the way. Okay. Oh, it's not capturing everything. I think the leaves. We used the wrong tea leaves. But for the most part, I didn't think these tea leaves are going to be this fine. But you can see the colors changing. It's a tea infuser. Let's not shake it too much.
Yeah.
Are you ready for this, Jordan?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got Jordan's, what he thinks are Cookie cutters.
Cookie cutters, cookie cutters.
How would you cut the cookie with this?
Yeah, how do you cut the cookie with that?
Cookie mold.
Cookie molds? And then you mold them and then you shape them into hearts?
Yeah.
Oh.
I thought it was for onigiri.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's a good guess too.
I think you could use it for onigiri. Alright, so check it out. So Jordan thought these were actually for cookie cutters. Crunch Mom thought it was for onigiri, which I think you could honestly probably use it for onigiri. But what its intended use is right. You're supposed to do boiled eggs, and it makes it into a heart shape. Are you ready? Yeah. Oh, make sure you match it up. See this hole right here? It goes into the hole. So go ahead and match it up. And then you lock it in. Lock the sides. Oh, push it down all the way. And then lock it. And then the other side. Nice. And then I don't know how long we're supposed to put it in here for, but we're gonna put it in, lock it. And there's instructions. I just didn't read them all the way. And I think they were in Japanese too, so. All right, so we're gonna leave it like this and we'll check up on them in a minute. We'll let them cool down because I think you need to let them cool down so that they can get into that shape.
In 1 minute. Let's open it.
Not yet. It's still hot.
We could have a breakfast.
Itadakimasu.
But while we're waiting, let's eat some of the bread. Oh, eat. You don't want mayonnaise? Nice.
Itadakimasu.
Oh, look at this tea infuser. Wow. Let's see if it actually worked. Okay, ready? Kinda. I don't put. Nope. All right, guys, we're back. So, out of all these tools, is it a WOAH or a no? What do you think?
All of it is
Okay, so the
whoa.
bread. What is this? Is this a WOAH or no?
Whoa.
WOAH? Okay. Cool. What about the tea infuser?
Whoa.
WOAH? Okay. What about the knife?
Whoa.
WOAH? Milk frother?
Whoa.
WOAH? Pestle mortar?
Whoa.
WOAH? Oh my gosh. And egg shapes.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, so
All
Jordan.
of it's whoa.
All of it's WOAH for Jordan. For me, it's okay. It's like a whoa no. Whoa no.
No, it's only whoa
Oh, okay.
or no.
Okay, so then I would say I wouldn't use that. So I'm gonna say no. This tea
No
infuser,
whoa.
honestly, we probably used the wrong tea for it, but I think it would work really well. And you could probably, Jordan's right, you could probably infuse stuff with this. So this is a WOAH. These egg molds, it's a no. It didn't really turn it into an egg. It's shaped like a
like it?
star. It was chunky.
But I like it.
Yeah, you do like it. And then this butter knife is probably the coolest thing out of all of them. It worked perfect.
Whoa.
This is a super WOAH. This is a whoa.
Mine too.
Oh, is it? Pestle mortar?
This is the
Oh.
whoa.
Oh, this is the WOAH? Okay. So I think this is, it's a WOAH. It works. It did what it's supposed to do. And then pestle mortar, it's a WOAH because it works and it does what it's supposed to do. Okay, guys, so that was the end of this video. Let us know in the comments what type of gadgets should we do next. Let us know.
House gadgets.
House gadgets. That might be kind of interesting. Gadgets that you use around the house. Well, leave us a comment if you guys like this segment. We'll do some more. Let us know down in the comments what type of
shape it turned into.
Oh, that is kind of cool. Maybe we could use it for that instead. It's like a shape of something else. All right, guys. So that was the CrunchTube's gadget review.
Yeah.
Did you guys guess everything correct? Do you think everyone guessed it correctly? No, but it's okay. That's the whole fun of it. You guess and you learn. All right, guys.
Okay, you are this.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.